In this video, I'll be showing you how you can clear or delete your render cache in Davinci Resolve. It is super simple. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your Davinci Resolve like usual. Then you need to go up here to the playback, up in the edit tab, up here. Then this page should be popping up. And if you scroll down to where there stands render cache, right down under is something called delete render cache. And here you can either click manage cache data, you can delete all of it, you can delete the unused or delete selected clips. And in this tutorial, I'm just gonna show you how you can delete everything. So delete all, and as you can see, this pop-up screen will pop up where it will warn you and say this will delete all render cache in your project. You can't undo this action. Then you have the opportunity to select cancel or delete. And let's just click delete, like so. And that is it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!